Most of the trucks in the fleet will be retrofitted with the NexGard bumper this year. The below procedure will need to be followed whenever you have the need to open the hood. There are 2 locking securements on your bumper guard, each one located on the left and right side, opposite to each other. To unlock the guard, pull the locking handle out parallel with the guard. Once out, push it around the locking pin so that it hooks out of the way. When releasing the final locking securement on the opposite side, keep a firm grip on the bumper guard in case it drops down, especially if you are parked on a decline. Once unlocked, carefully and slowly let the bumper guard down. Once the hood is closed, raise the bumper guard using 2 hands on either corner of the guard. Once in place, use one hand to keep a firm grip on the guard and use the other to lock the first securement. Then do the same on the opposite side. Double check to make sure both handles are over the pin and secured in their locked position. Report any damage or malfunctioning of the guard to the shop for inspection and repair.